great story to tell you guys that I was eating and breathing and drinking sports as a kid. I did play a few. I was a quarterback in football, and I played a little basketball and volleyball, and that's how my weird finger came about. Don't look too closely. But the truth is, I kind of just did it to skip out of school. But since we're still talking about sports, I thought I'd give you guys a whirlwind tour of a great award-winning sports bar here in the capital. I hear that you are not only a fantastic chef, but also a designer. You made these really cool little, I don't know, condiments and nut bowl holder kind of things. You actually designed these, right?
Oh, yes, I did. Thank you for the compliment, Andrea. When we were designing the concept of this bar, we wanted to go right into the detail. And you know, people wouldn't expect some things like this when they walk into a bar. And these quirky little things, you know, let the guests come into the mood of the game. As you can see, these are designed on the basis of having different game formats. You have the cricket, you have the rugby, you have the soccer, and so on. And also the nut bowl holder, which is basically a soccer ball, which is cut into half. You know, and that's how we serve our little nuts.
But let's not waste time for nuts. I mean, who cares? Nobody's here for nuts, you know? I know that you're making actually things more than nachos and deep fried chicken wings. You're actually engulfed more of the food element here, and I can already smell truffle oil, some pepper, and mushrooms. But what did you prepare for me?
Well, what you have right in front of you is the Stilton mushrooms. Now this is a warm-up dish which is basically gets the fans or our guests into gear before watching a game. And this is toasted garlic bread, you know, which is toasted with little garlic and butter. And then on top of that you have olive oil seared field mushrooms, which is basically the three types of mushrooms that we use over here. One is the shimoji, the button mushrooms, and the shiitake mushrooms, which are then tossed with little olive oil, garlic, and pink peppercorn, which give you that little sharp taste.
And I just, you know, he was talking, and that's exactly it. You have the creaminess. You can smell the truffle oil. I mean, and the bite of the mushroom, so they're not overcooked. You have still that little like al dente mushroom. And then he talked about, as you were discussing about the pink peppercorn, I didn't find it. And then all of a sudden, I got the pop.
Sharp taste.
You get that sharp taste, and it's a really nice finish to the dish.
And then you finish it with truffle oil and Stilton cheese. You know, so it gives a very creamy texture, a little sharpness. And it's a fantastic signature dish that we have in the restaurant.
It's perfect, chef, and there's definitely room for more food. I know it was a good idea for me to cut out the nuts from the beginning, because now I'm sitting here with the Supreme Burger, and then also you have a steak there.
Well, this is what we call the real McCoy.
Yeah.
That's the Supreme Burger, which is loaded with a burger patty of fried eggs, turkey bacon, lamb chorizo, cheddar cheese sauce, and you can really have this, you know, and go play a sport yourself. And this is where we in Blu Sky actually flex our muscles, you know. That's where we are in the Blu Sky. You know, a fantastic range of grilled menu, you know, a lot of steak options, and that's the focus of the menu.
And I don't know, and you know what? Okay, look at this. It's like all over the place. This looks so good. I'm gonna...
You might need some help.
There's the cheese. No, don't even try. You stick with your steak over there. This burger looks amazing. I'm gonna take a big bite. I don't know if you guys want to look at this. I don't know if it's going to be that good looking when I'm putting this in my mouth, but I will give you a trick. Flip the burger upside down. It'll be less messy. Did you know that?
No, thanks for telling us this.
I think maybe it doesn't work, but oh my God. The egg. I think you have to take about 3 bites to get all the elements of the egg, but I definitely got the cheese sauce.
But I think you're doing a good job. You still managed to keep it in one piece.
The burger is done medium, perfectly done, super, super juicy. And as you can see, it's still dripping all over me, but you guys, you don't want to look at it because it's not going to be pretty. Chef, I'm all cleaned up now, and you guys, I don't think I have anything left on my face. And that was a sandwich for sure that it's gonna fill up a rugby player and myself up to here. And now you give me another sandwich, the GATSBY Smash. And I see some sausages and some sauce, and it was delicious. I could only really just grab a little bite.
Well, the GATSBY Smash is a very popular submarine style sandwich from the Cape.
But I think your challenge over here, this is the great
Well,
Gatsby smash.
This in fact is the great Gatsby smash, which has basically got the peri peri mayos, lettuce, boerewors sausages, turkey chorizos, breaded chicken, potato leones, and cheddar cheese sauce. And this mean thing, as you rightly said, can fire a few rounds. Try it yourself. Boom, boom, boom. You need a whole team to devour this sandwich.
This definitely. I need a whole soccer team. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my soccer team with me today. All I have is my crew, my team, and part of your team that helped create this amazing sandwich. So I want all you guys gotta come here, help me out.
And let's attack.
And let's attack this. And I think this is a home run, guys. Home run on Zomato.